premium construction home in a brand new development, Belle Acres. Open floor plan combines comfortable living with ample storage. First level provides a covered entry porch that opens up to a living room with LVT floors and 9 ceiling. Kitchen is outfitted with maple cabinets, granite countertops, and pendant lighting. Central kitchen island and a breakfast nook offer desired storage space. Whirlpool appliance package includes refrigerator with ice maker, freestanding electric range, dishwasher, over-the-range microwave. Half bath is conveniently located on the first floor. Additional storage space on the first level includes pantry closet and coat broom closet. The top floor comprises 3 bedrooms, full bath, laundry and linen closet. Master suite offers tile bathroom, double vanity with undermount sinks and granite tops. It features walk-in closet, vaulted ceiling and sliders lead to covered porch.